right, kindergarten, you are in your WIN packet, so please open up your WIN packet and turn to the page that has a 19 at the bottom. And what does 19 mean? It is what number? What's the word? 19. It is a teen number, and we have been working on teens. So I know that I have a whole group of 10 plus 9 more equals 19. All right, get your pencil or marker or whatever it is you want to write with, and let's start at the top. Write the sight words. We have 3 words to read. Let's read the first word. It has 3 letters. It starts with H-I-S. H says H. I says I. And S says S. Let's put it together, all those sounds. H, I, S. His. Good job. That is a 3-letter word. The next word is I-T. I says I. T says T. And I put it together and I blend it. It. Good. Third word. It has another I. They all have I's in them, and we know that I says it and N says n. Let's blend it together. It, n. In. Good. All right, let's look at number 1 here. It has 2 boxes, and they're both short. So what letters or what word over here has 2 short letters? In. Good. Let's write an I and an N. Good. Number 2. It has 2 boxes again, but one is kind of tall. And what word over here that we has 2 letters that we haven't used yet? And that word is it. So I dot it, T down, and cross. And the only one for 3 that has 3 letters is the word is his. Let's write an H, because that's pretty tall with a long stick and a rainbow. I dot it, S, curve round. Good. Curve back and over and round back. Good. Extend the pattern. That means we are going to finish the pattern, which we think is fun because I think almost everyone in our class enjoys drawing. So we have a gingerbread, snowman, snowman, gingerbread, snowman, snowman. Good job. So we have A, B, B, A, B, B pattern. So our snowman doesn't have 3 circles, he has 2. So 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, 2 little dots, put some arms on him, and always smiley because I hope everyone's happy. And they have earmuffs on this snowman. Good. Put some little details on them. All right, good job. Draw a picture that begins with good X, and X says X, like X-ray in the box. X. What are some words that begin with the letter X? This one might be harder than yesterday's. You all thought of W words a lot. You all thought of them quickly like this, right? Can we think of any X words besides X-ray? Xylophone, which is a musical instrument, right? X-ray, we know. What are some others? If you think of any others besides those 2, amazing. Go ahead and draw. If you can only think of xylophone or X-ray, that's okay. Then we can go ahead and draw those and let's label them. All right, I myself, I can't think of any just off the spot right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do an xylophone. And you might recognize it. And again, I always want you to label it if you can. So let me use this color for my xylophone. Remember, if you ever had one and they just have the most fun musical sounds, right? And you bang on them with little sticks. Xylophone. And they just have different sounds as the shapes get smaller, right? And I'll do one more. And then I'm going to label it X. And sometimes Y says I or E, xy, Blow. You'll be surprised what PH says. PH says sometimes. Xyloph. Oh, And there's a sneaky bossy E because O said its name. Xylophone. Wow. Let me draw my mallets that bang on the blocks to make the sound. All right, let's go to the bottom. Kindergarten says squiggle picture. Turn the silly line into a picture and then label it and write a sentence. What can we make that into? It looks kind of like yesterday's when some people did a boat, some people did a skate park. I want to make it into something different. It does look like the squiggle line from yesterday, and I don't want to do a skate park again, so let me think about what I want to make this squiggle line into. I think I'm going to make it into a pool, right? It has the shallow end and the deep end of my pool. So I'm going to make a pool. So I'm going to make ends on it. I'm going to make a ladder to be able to get into my pool. And then I need to make water in my pool, right? All pools have water. Oh, it's getting really wavy in here. And then you can color that in blue if you want. It's a pool. And again, I want you to label it. So let me go ahead and put P. Ooh, I know O says ooh, just like boo. P is P. Ooh, ooh, oh. Yep, pool. That's a pool. That's my best pool. And next, my last thing I have to do is write a sentence. So, what do I want to write about a pool? Well, I have always thought that pools are fun, so I might put pools are fun. Because I've always wanted to have a pool at my house, especially in the summer, right? So I'm going to write pool. Remember, capital letter at the beginning. Oh. My computer's acting up. Oh my goodness. Pool. R. Oh, I messed up. Let me erase that. It looks sloppy. Pools. Where is it? R. Hopefully yours looks a little better than mine. It's a little hard to write on this computer. And I'm going to put an exclamation point. Let me fix my mistakes. And we know R says A-R-E, fun. Remember your capital letter at the beginning, and remember your spacing in between your words, and a punctuation at the end. Maybe you have a period, maybe you have an exclamation point, but everyone should have a capital letter at the beginning, space in between each words. Remember spell sound, but I put pools are fun. Because I definitely think that pools are fun, especially in the summertime. Maybe not so much in the winter, right? All right, after you're finished with your win packet, I want you to put it away in a safe spot, and you are going to go post that on, well, before you put it in a safe spot, you're going to post it on Seesaw so I can see what you created with your squiggle lines, what word you created out of X, and then I want you to put it in a safe spot after you post a picture on Seesaw. All right, and thank you so much for doing such hard work.